Running a successful restaurant today requires more than great food and service. It also depends on the technology that keeps your operation flowing. That's where the Aloha POS system comes in. Designed specifically for restaurants, cafes, and hospitality groups, Aloha combines speed, reliability, and detailed data insights into one powerful platform. It's widely used in the food service industry for its robust ordering, payment processing, and reporting capabilities. Whether you run a quick service spot, a full service dining room, or a multi location group, Aloha helps you manage your front of house and back of house with greater accuracy and less friction. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features in action and explain why it continues to be one of the most trusted restaurant POS solutions on the market. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the fast and intuitive order entry. Aloha's touchscreen interface is built for speed and minimal training time. Servers and cashiers can easily enter orders, modify items, split checks, and send tickets to the kitchen all in a few taps. Menu items are clearly displayed, and modifiers are nested logically to reduce errors. This helps restaurants minimize training for new staff, cut down on order mistakes, and speed up service, especially during peak hours when every second counts. Another key feature is the kitchen and bar routing integration. Once an order is placed, Aloha automatically routes items to the appropriate prep station, whether it's the kitchen, bar, or dessert station. It prints or displays the order with modifiers and notes, reducing communication breakdowns. This improves ticket accuracy, enhances kitchen efficiency, and ensures that dishes come out on time and in the right sequence, boosting customer satisfaction. Another key feature is the payment processing and tip management. Aloha supports all major forms of payment, including chip cards, contactless payments, mobile wallets, and split bills. Staff can easily enter tips, adjust payments, and close checks all from the POS terminal. Guests get a smooth and secure payment experience, while staff spend less time navigating clunky systems and more time serving. It also helps with end of day reconciliation and reduces credit card chargebacks. Another key feature is the labor scheduling and time tracking. Aloha includes built-in employee management tools for clocking in and out, managing breaks, and assigning shifts. Managers can monitor labor hours in real time and set up restrictions to comply with labor laws. This helps reduce labor cost overruns and prevents compliance issues while giving staff a clear, easy to use interface to track their time. Another key feature is the sales reporting and real time analytics. Aloha's reporting dashboard provides real time insights into sales, item performance, employee productivity, and daily trends. Managers can access detailed reports from any location or device, making it easier to spot problems or make data driven decisions. Operators can make smarter adjustments on the fly, whether it's tweaking the menu, reassigning staff, or identifying top selling items to promote. It also supports better long term planning and performance tracking. So, why is Aloha POS a great choice? Aloha POS stands out its blend of reliability and depth. It's been trusted by restaurants for years and continues to evolve with industry needs. In 2025, Aloha now supports online ordering integration, digital kitchen display systems, and loyalty program tie ins, giving you everything you need to create a seamless customer experience from order to checkout. It's also scalable, whether you're running a single location or a multi unit franchise. Aloha provides the tools to manage every part of your operation, from the dining room to the back office. Its offline capabilities also mean your restaurant can keep running smoothly even if the internet goes down, something cloud only systems can't always promise. So basically, the Aloha POS system remains one of the most powerful tools for modern restaurants. From its fast order entry and kitchen integration to employee management and robust reporting, Aloha helps restaurant teams work faster, smarter, and with more confidence. So, if you're looking to upgrade your POS system in 2025, Aloha is a solid option with the features and flexibility to grow alongside your restaurant. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.